Hello guys, dito kami sa Garin Farm sa Iloilo. Boss. Pasok.
Pasok.
Pasok. Ito yung loob. Farm sa Garin Farm. So turkey. There's a turkey, pabo. And there's another one, chickens. And so I think it's gonna be a long walk. So mga ducks. So farm, male, female, black, chicken, layer chicken. So ito, lakad. Guys, mga kambing. Yun, dairy goat. Sila yan. So look at them, look at them. Hey, meh. There's the layer chicken. Here we go. Ang dami, haba. So ito medyo maulan, maputik. Pero ganda. Look at the place. Nice. So ito yung ang tawag dyan?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
Hello.
Ayun, ito. Endangered species na yan eh.
Ito?
Parang ano siya, tamaraw.
Tamaraw.
Oo,
FX?
tamaraw. Yan yung tinatawag na tamaraw. Oo nga.
Ano tamaraw?
Yan sa taas maganda.
So yun nga guys, napagod kami. So sasakay kami dito. Back and forth daw is 150. Yeah, so pagod. Yeah. So sasakay na kami. Wow, nice. Look at the lagoon. Sasakay na kami. Let's go. Okay guys, we're here na sa taas. Takes 15 to 20 minutes daw pag nilakad. So,
Tao po.
ayan. Ito yung dark tunnel. Garin Farm, Divine Mercy, Dark Meditation Tunnel. Let's go! So guys, ito yung loob. Entrance. Let's go. Yeah, it's dark. The tunnels, it's really dark. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. It's really dark. Just follow the lights. And trust God. So here we go. So, ooh, nice. Let's go. The other one is here. So let's go. Out. Hey guys, so dito tayo sa loob. Wow, nice. Nice. It's really good. Look at that. Look at inside. So guys, ito yung pinakataas. Look. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, ito yung pinakataas. Look at the place. Look at the place. Nice.
Pagkanito mo na lang. Yan na. Ito na. Okay na yan. Okay.
Oh, looking at.
Sama pa ako. Ito pa ako?
So that's it guys. So need to go out now. Back to the world. Let's go out. Bye bye.